If you're reluctant to talk to an agent, listen to this. You avoid agents, you're skeptical to share much, you go to an open house and then you tell them you're just looking. You don't want them calling you or harassing you about your home value. You know, being a realtor is hard work. At least being a good realtor is hard. After all, we're in sales and there's a lot of rejection in sales. There are agents who make their living calling random homeowners to see if they want to sell. There are agents who even chase obituaries and prey on the remaining spouse. There are agents who don't care about your goals and just want to make a paycheck. And then there are good agents, really good agents, those who spend a lot of time to get to know you, ones who want to ask a lot of questions and find out about your dreams, your pain points, your routines, what makes you tick. Those are the agents you want to work with. And that's why I created my proprietary turning point process. The first step is to get to know you, the real you. Understand what you want, what you don't want, see if we click. You've seen me around for a while now, and you might be curious. You've seen my work and my perspectives, and maybe even received something of value. You know, your home may be the single largest asset you own, and there are 30,000 agents in the Denver area, all with different levels of experience, education, and specialties. So who will you call when you're ready? I'd be honored to be on the list. If you need help knowing how to select a real estate agent, just comment checklist, and I'll get to you a few key points of what to look for.